Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for joining me, and in this video, we're going to be giving away a set of Spec-D taillights. First off, I want to not only thank you guys for supporting the channel throughout these years, but I want to say big shout out to Brian over there at the Mod Garage for not only taking care of me, but also you guys with all of these giveaways. We got a whole bunch more giveaways coming to the channel, so make sure that you are subscribed to the channel to stay up to date on when the next giveaway is. Without further ado, I know you guys want to get on with your Christmas day. Merry Christmas, by the way. I don't know if I said that yet, but we're going to pick the winner, and yeah. So before we do, I just want to say more STI content. We got some big news for the STI Type R content. We got a whole bunch of parts coming for the Type R, and we might even bring the Miata back to the channel. Yes, I still own the Miata. But without further ado, let's go ahead and pick the winner. Remember, the winner has 24 hours to contact me via Instagram. If they don't, we'll do another video and pick another winner. But let me just shut up and just pick a winner so you guys can get on your merry way. All right, so here we go. Who will it land on? Let's see here. Justin Gill. Here you go. So pick today, 12/25 Christmas Day at 12:33 in the afternoon. But I just want to say thank you very much, Justin Gill. Make sure you reach out to me on Instagram so I can verify your information, and not only that, and get your shipping information also. But anyways, Merry Christmas, guys. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful Christmas day and you got some car parts under the Christmas tree. Anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate your guys' support, and we will talk to you guys later. Justin, hit me up. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.